Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Reqroots. They are hiring for Bangalore location. As you can see here, they have opening for software engineer for SAP ABAP. So you should have 2 to 4 years of working experience and you must have skill sets on ABAP ALV reports, S for HANA. So they are looking for immediate joinees, and if you are interested to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.